got this International old engine 2006 4300 DT466. So wanted to start by taking this belt off. I'm doing the water pump. Got my new water pump right there. I'll leave the parts in description, part number. So I'm gonna first start off by taking this belt, which I got my diagram and how it goes. So I see it goes over the compressor in between. So yeah, always get your belt diagram straight before you start taking it off, because you pull upwards and you're able to get the belt to come off. There goes the issue over here. What we have is a bad pulley, bad water pump pulley. So I'm going to take off these 4 bolts, 8 millimeters in the front, right there. Put the belt back on. I recommend taking those bolts out with the belt on so the pulley doesn't turn on you. So just FYI. Okay, so pry it off. Pulley came off. So this is the water pump pulley. We're going to be using the same pulley, so here I'm going to count how many bolts there are around. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bolts that's going to be going around. So there's one right there, another right there. 5 bolts, 10 millimeters. Alrighty, so got all the bolts out. There's going to be this bracket. It's going to be a 14 millimeter. And then you're going to have this, which is going to be a 13 millimeter. No damage, just trying to make sure. That's pretty much everything. Once you got it on, this new belt, I'll leave the part number in description. Make sure you tighten up your last 10 millimeter bolts. Bracket back on. I'm gonna finish tightening it down, the bracket, but yeah, make sure these nuts behind, as I was trying to mention, there is another nut behind here. Subscribe to it one day.
Hell yeah. I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel. I got all these cool ideas, but I'm just too lazy.